closer, Ethan.
Ryan, you have to video.
I am.
Oh.
Come a little closer, Ethan. Oh.
Oh.
That was a bad.
You have to tell us when you're doing it.
Okay, drop the next one.
Don't touch it, Ethan.
Please leave it there.
Ethan, don't touch it.
Okay, I'm going next.
Okay.
Whoa, that's beautiful.
Oh, look how that didn't break. That didn't break.
Awesome. Let's see that.
Man, there's no way that one broke. That was pretty good.
This one's
This
not
is going to fall like a rock.
Uh-oh.
Oh! Did the egg make it? The egg's the first thing that hit.
Okay, you can do your inspection.
Oh, that would go good,
Oh,
John.
that's good.
If you had an egg taped in the middle of that, I don't think it would have broke. Well, the weight of the egg.
Plastic bag.
Ethan, please don't touch.
But that's quarter scale, too. You get a foot by a foot by 2 feet.
Ryan wins.
Ethan, don't. Put it
Why?
down.
They said to.
Put it down. No, they didn't.
Smart, right?
They did.
Check
Did
the
they say
other
to
one.
touch it?
Ethan, will you inspect the other one in the bag?
Yeah, in the bag,
Yeah, I
is
can't,
that
because
one
mine
good?
doesn't want me to touch
Yeah,
it.
please.
Hey,
I'm
come here,
giving you
wait.
permission. I'm the owner.
Wait.
All right, Julie said you could.
Scream and cry.
I'm the
Okay,
owner.
now
It
what?
was Christians. I didn't want him to.
So mine works.
Is it scrambled?
Just open it up.
How what?
Yes.
What'd you do? Spit on it?
I don't see a broken egg.
What are you gonna do? Bleed on me?
It's broken.
I see yellow.
That's, probably
That's
from
not a
that
good
other egg
color
hitting
in
it,
the egg
though.
thing.
I'm calling shenanigans. That other egg hit it. Good one. So Bonnie's the winner?
No, Ryan.
No.
Ryan, of course.
Did you see
You should
mine?
know who the winner was.
Is mine still intact?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
Look, Ryan, we gotta get a picture up close.
Hey, that was pretty cool, and it was just swirling like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mr. Joey. Hi, Mr. Joey.
any points for having the cleanest, the easiest cleanup?
Yeah, probably. See if we want those on the way.
At least Julie and Kristen's design is easy to clean up.
Oh, hi, Mary. There's the good girls. Let's There's Ethan in the cold. What, dude? What a doofus dog. Is Mary going?
I don't care.
Mary, yes, you can go. Good dog.
Oh, you think he's gonna bolt?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, that's Annie's bad dog.
I've never seen Mary run like that.
Yeah.
Mary.
Mary.
So that's mine. It works.
He's going after the...
Mary.
Yeah.
Get back.
Nice.
Mary. No.
Oh! Oh my god. That one.
Oh yeah, you could see it on the side.
As he gets broken.
No. The bag's fine.
I don't know that was the point of the exercise, though.
Safe the bag.
Hi, Mary. You want an egg?
Just watch yourself.
Hi, Johnny.
Hey, Mary. Hi.
Oh, wow.